Ever wondered what the check charge system light on your Honda's dash means? It's a warning about a problem with your car's charging system. This could be due to a dead battery, loose wires, a failing alternator, or a broken fan belt. In this video, I will explain the main causes and how to go about fixing them. Let's get into it. So, what could possibly cause your Honda to flash the check charge system light? Well, there are several potential culprits. First, a failing battery. Just like your phone battery, your car battery can also wear out over time. If it's not holding enough charge to keep your car running, especially when you're using other electrical components like the headlights or radio, then it's time to consider a replacement. But what if your battery is in good shape? Then it might be a case of loose wire connections. These can occur near the alternator or the battery terminals. Loose connections might cause your battery to charge at a less than optimal rate, leading to the check charge system light flashing. So it's always a good idea to ensure those connections are snug and secure. Now let's talk about the alternator. If it's not charging, it's not doing its job. The alternator should keep up with the demands of your electrical system, and if it doesn't, that could be a sign of an internal problem that requires a replacement. Then there's the possibility of a blown fuse. This is usually due to an electrical short circuit, which could be caused by a faulty battery or problems with the alternator. If you find a blown fuse, replace it pronto with a new one of the same amperage to avoid further issues. And finally, we have the fan belt. This little component is crucial as drives the alternator, which in turn charges the battery. If the belt is broken, the alternator can't do its job, and your battery will eventually run out of power, leaving you potentially stranded. So, there you have it. These are the common causes behind the check charge system light in your Honda. Understanding these causes allows you to identify potential issues before they turn into major problems. Now, before we finish up, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips like this. Now, let's delve into the steps you can take to address the check charge system light issue in your Honda. When this warning light glows on your dashboard, it's a call to action. It's not merely an inconvenience, but a signal that your vehicle's charging system needs your attention. Let's break down some possible solutions. Firstly, you need to inspect your battery. If your battery is old or hasn't been well maintained, it may lack the capacity to provide a significant charge for powering your vehicle's electrical components. Thus, a failing battery might lead to the check charge system light turning on. So, testing your battery's condition and replacing it if necessary is a prudent first step. Secondly, ensure the security of your wire connections. Loose terminals on the batter or incorrectly connected wires can interrupt the charging process, triggering the warning light. Take some time to verify all connections are firmly in place. If you find any loose or incorrectly connected wires, secure them properly. The third step is to consider having a professional inspect your alternator. A malfunctioning alternator can't meet your car's electrical system's demands, and this could be the reason your check charge system light is on. A qualified mechanic can evaluate the alternator's performance and fix existing issues. Let's not forget about the significance of a blown fuse, often the result of an electrical short circuit. If you find a blown fuse, make sure to replace it immediately to prevent further complications and the possibility of the warning light coming on. Finally, check the condition of your fan belt. A broken fan belt can't drive the alternator, impeding the battery's charging. If you find your fan belt in poor condition, consider a replacement. So when your Honda communicates a potential problem through warning lights, it's crucial to not only listen, but also take decisive action to fix the issues.